Hello friends, today's detail is a 2010 Ford Focus. This is the second detail of the day at the car lot, and of course you don't have 5 or 6 hours to devote to these details, which is typically what they would need in order to get them good and clean. But I did the best that I could, because that's one of the things you have to do when you work at a dealership. Anyway, this car obviously came from a dirt road. It was in every door jamb. It was so thick. It took a whole bunch of spray to break it loose, a whole bunch of microfiber towels just to wipe it off, and then of course you had to go back and clean up the residue. It was crazy. But anyway, I'm going to get in here and get this puppy as clean as I possibly can in this short amount of time that I have left. So obviously, being on a dirt road, not only is the outside and the door jamb's going to get dusty and dirty, but the inside is going to get really dusty and dirty as well. And that includes the console, because obviously the console takes the brunt of us eating and drinking and having long commutes in our cars and so on and so forth. So, one thing I want to address really quick is when I do a detail like this, it's not just cleaning the car. You do have to stick with some of the details. There's a reason for that. When a car comes into a car lot, it will go on a line for sale. And what you call eye appeal is buy appeal. So you have to make that car look appealing to the customer. So even though we don't have a lot of time, we have certain areas that we have to focus on and certain things we have to do. There's just no way around it. And there it is, all finished. And I finished just in time before my time ran out. Anyway, I was able to get all of that dirt out of there. The only thing I was not able to do was shampoo the carpets, but I vacuumed really well, did the best that I could with what I had. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. And if you'll take a moment to like and comment and subscribe, I would love to have you. And until the next video, we'll see you later. Peace.